Hello everyone. As usual, I'm calling Yaku Johnson, a student of Blue University, doing math and physics. But this information source is important in all, whether you are doing math, whether you are doing physics, whether you're doing biology, chemistry, you need to apply it when you are doing research. As we are going to look for the secondary source, we add a lot from primary source in my last video, but right now I'm going to go through what is called secondary source. What is a secondary source? A secondary source is a one that interpret, analyze, or summarize the primary sources or event. It is one step removed from original material and often provide a broader perspective or critical insight into primary data. That is what is meant by primary source. We have some of the characteristic of primary source: interpretate, interpretative, interpretative. It interpret the primary sources. Secondary source interpret the primary sources. We have evolution. It goes through what has happened in primary source. The summary, it summarizes the primary source contextual. Everything comes from the primary source. Uh, some of the example of the secondary source are: you have the books. You can write a books as you will be picking the information from different books. Textbook. We have a journal articles. You can pick. You can write an articles by picking the different by picking your words from different sources. Documentary, essay, and review. Some of the purpose of the secondary source are con- contextual contextualization, uh, interpretation and analysis, broader understanding. You will understand more. You will understand what is there more and apply it. Secondary, so we have the role in research, time frame, reliability. It is reliable. What is called secondary source. Example in various field. History, a book analyzing a social species and their impacts on public moral during the war. You have science, a research paper analyzing several experiments and drawing conclusion about the specific theory. Art, a documentary or articles discussing event, golf techniques and cultural scientific of the stories. You have some of pros and cons. Pros, it provides critical analysis and comprehensive overview. Secondary source provide critical analysis and the comprehensive overview of informations. It helps to connect dots between different pieces of primary evidence. When you go, when you read, when you have two primary evidence, primary sources of information, it helps to connect the different pieces of the evidence. Maybe like you add two people when an event is taking place and you add from them different ideas. You can connect those ideas and bring and come with ones. It is easier to assess and understand them than raw primary data. It is easier because it has been analyzed and summarized. Kong can introduce misinterpretation or biases. There is also biasness when it comes to secondary source. A second-hand account, so they lack the immediacy and authenticity of primary sources. Those are what we have in primary source, secondary source. And I thank you so much for watching this video. May the God bless you. As you will like, subscribe in this video. Be blessed.